In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a refund for purchases on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, open up a browser. You can use your phone also and then search for refund purchases on PS5. Then you have to go to this website. Now once you're on the website, go down and first you have to check that if you are eligible for the refund. So to check it, you have to go down here and you have to select for what type of thing you want the refund: games, DLC, subscriptions, or pre-orders. So we will select here games. Then here you have to make sure you are eligible. So you have to check that if you are eligible, that the content has not been downloaded or streamed, refund request has been made within 14 days of purchase. So if you think you are eligible, so then here you have to go down and then here click on contact PlayStation support. Now here go down and select games, or if you want help with subscription, you can select this or this. So we'll select games. Now here click on pre-order, and then here you will see how you can contact them. So for me, only the contact through email is available, but for you there might be a live chat support, so you can contact them, the PlayStation support team, through live chat. So if you are also seeing email, you have to email them your problem on this email, and they will help you to cancel or refund the purchases on your PS5. So hope this information helped you out, and thanks for watching.